Welcome! In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access and generate your trading reports using our forecasting tool. Let's get started. First, open your charting program. This could be TradingView, MetaStock, Falcon, or any charting software you use. Then, select the script you want to analyze. For example, this could be DJIA, Nifty, Bitcoin, gold, crude oil, or any other instrument you're interested in. Now, look at your chart and note the dates when the script made a significant high or low. You only need one date and one polarity point. That means you need to note whether it was a high or a low on that particular date. Next, go to the website www.gantimer.com/forecaster. You'll see the Trend Change Time Forecaster tool on your screen. Now it's time to input your data. Using the calendar tool, input the date of the trend change you noted earlier. Then, input the polarity. Was it a high or a low? Finally, enter the name of the script you're analyzing. Using the drop-down menu, select the exchange location for your script. Once you've entered all the information, click the Continue button. You'll now be taken to the next screen, which shows 3 verification questions. Go back to your charting program and check what the script did on these 3 specific dates. Look for an A-shaped trend change. This is when the price makes a peak and comes down on both sides, forming an A shape. Or look for a V-shaped trend change. This is when the price makes a sharp bottom and bounces back up, forming a V shape. Answer the 3 verification questions based on what you observed in your chart. Then click the Generate Forecast button. The system will now generate your forecast. If the date you entered doesn't qualify, you'll see a message saying, "Entered date is invalid. Check with another date." In that case, simply try with a different trend change date. Once the forecast is generated, you'll see the dates report on your screen. Click to download the dates report. The next button will allow you to download the action report. The last button will take you back to analyze another script if you wish. Make sure to download both reports. You now have both your reports. Next, watch our video on how to read the report to understand how to use these forecasts for your trading. Thank you for watching.